In 1945, a man stood next to a strange machine and accidentally changed how the world eats forever. His name was Percy Spencer, an engineer working with radar technology during World War II. One day, while testing a powerful radar magnetron, something weird happened. The chocolate bar in his pocket suddenly melted. Percy didn't panic. He got curious. He placed popcorn kernels near the machine. They started popping instantly. Then he tried an egg. It exploded. Percy realized the machine was emitting invisible waves that could heat food from the inside out. He built a metal box to trap the waves and cooked food on purpose. The first microwave oven was nearly 6 feet tall, weighed over 700 pounds, and cost thousands of dollars. Today, that accident reheats leftovers in seconds, all because one chocolate bar melted at the wrong time.